Alright, what's up YouTube? It's just after 10 o'clock in the evening. I'm over here at Lakeview. Got a surprise little storm moving through. Of course, it's not getting me, but I'm on the banks of Lakeview Lake to capture shots just like that. I stepped out my front door to take a gander at it and said, yep, it's time to walk down to the lake and film some lightning. There's been a lot of cloud-to-cloud strikes with this guy, so I'm going to try to keep my eyes and camera above the park lights so that we can see this show. But I don't know how well my phone's going to pick up all the... Probably can't see all the stars up there. The moon's over there peeking behind the clouds. That it's almost a completely clear night except for this lone tiny storm just south of here. Probably hitting the Avaz and Kingdom City areas. Trying to find the best way to hold this so I can just be steady and keep it trained on the cloud for a while. Yes, cloud singular. There's just the one cloud. Can occasionally hear a clap of thunder. That one was pretty, that was like straight up. That's a pretty electric little storm. I think we're going to see a lot of these through the next week or two of evenings. We're supposed to have close to 100-degree temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days. I'm not looking forward to it. I slacked. I didn't mow my yard while it was nice out. I don't know what that is. There's something on the banks keeps making noise at me. As long as I don't feel a snake crawling up my leg, we're all good. Good little strike, but yep, it's still far enough away I can't hear the thunder over the roar of traffic in the distance on Business 54. Big old splash. I'm glad I'm over here at night. The lake's disgusting right now. We have a pretty bad algae problem with all of our ponds and lakes in town. Switch arms, there we go. I'd be happy if this would start growing up my way. There's like one thin cloud overhead, so yeah, that's not enough. I can't even make out any storm features. It's too dark. Hopefully the camera picks it up better. Like my overnight storm video, I know that one captured the clouds so much better than I could actually see them. I loved it. Unfortunately, like a year into this phone, I still haven't figured out the ins and outs of it to make sure that I get the right lighting settings that I want. Well, where's that magnificent streaking lightning through the sky like I saw a couple minutes ago before I started recording? It's like the storms know sometimes. Oh, camera's pointing at me. Chill out on the lightning, boys. Well, that was a good one. Clouds have gathered a little bit more overhead, but it's all just off to the east. Oh, Audrain County Force Field, you suck. Mom's texting me about the lightning too. I told her to go out and look at it. I like us a good light show. And the people underneath this storm like the beneficial rains. We're slowly trying to work our way out of a drought here in Missouri, but still got a long ways to go. Yep, she just texted me again, said she's seeing quite the light show from her house. She lives on the other side of town, so she's still got to contend with all the city lights. I'm closer to the other end of town. I don't have nearly as many city lights to deal with. But now we're starting to deal with more clouds in between here and there, it seems like, if anything. The storm is kind of pushing off to the southeast as well, so I guess it's slowly getting farther away. I know as soon as I hit the stop button though, it's gonna light up like crazy. So I'm trying to hold out hope for those last couple bolts. No way it fizzled out that quick. Well, I suppose it could have. I mean, this is Missouri we're talking about. This is a 10-minute video, and we always say if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes, so the weather could have done changed twice by now. Oh yeah, see? That's what I thought, Storm. Come on. Let's see more. don't know, you can see that star. Sorry, I'm not as good with my stars as I should be. Couldn't tell you which ones are overhead, but the clouds are definitely filling in over me. Too bad they're not going to give me any rain. Feels bad. Have to start watering my yard every other night again. Don't think there's a very good chance of storms at all tonight. This one caught me off guard. If I wouldn't have had my security cameras up and seen the lightning on them, I wouldn't have even known. I'd have just been plugging away on Diablo tonight. I think this one's pretty well starting to peter out though. Now, I can feel everyone clicking away from the video before it's even been posted. The lightning is pretty well fizzled out, so go ahead and get ready to sign off here. Make sure you hit that like button, share this with some people that love some weather stuff. Make sure you subscribe for the next one. Hopefully it'll be closer to me. Need those rains. And I'm sorry, I just got really distracted. I don't know what I'm watching up there. You guys see that? Green thing? I don't know. Someone's probably out playing with the drones, my guess. I'm not gonna go all UFO conspiracy theorist on you right now. First I thought it was a shooting star, though. Nah. Wouldn't surprise me at all if someone's out playing with a drone or something. Color's wrong for it to be a lightning bug, but anyway, I digress. This is a weather channel, so yeah, thanks for watching. I think I was about to say, make sure you subscribe for the next one with less UFO conspiracy theories. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.